Okay, this is lesson number 20. We are learning JavaScript and we are learning JavaScript by examples. And in this series called Grid, we are learning how to recreate this grid. So this application is available on this website. And in this application, students have to find out what decimal fraction is illustrated with, in this grid. So this is 0.28 in this case, for example, and as soon as you enter an answer, the number of colored cells changes and you have to enter another answer. So we are focusing on this grid, and this is what we have done so far. So in last video, we learned how to apply a CSS class conditionally. Okay, but in this case, not only the class is applied conditionally, but it is also changing the number of colored cells randomly, and this is what we have to learn in this video, in this lesson. So I will close this and I will change the size of the browser, and this is the application that we created last time. So I will right mouse click, open it with my Sublime text editor. I will save it as grid 6 because this is the 6th lesson on the grid and the 20th lesson altogether in this series. So if I open it up, we have this is the application that we are trying to recreate, and this is what we have done so far. Only one cell is colored blue and the rest of the cells are colored green, and this is controlled with the help of this line of code. Okay, we applied this blue color, so this class is being applied here. So if I remove this just to make it look similar to this application, so some of the cells are blue and the rest of the cells are blank. I have removed the class, CSS class, and if I save it now, one of the cells is blank and the rest of the cells are colored, and this is being controlled here. Okay, if I change it to 1.02, the number of blank cells should be 2, and if I change it to 0.3, the number of blank cells should be 3. All right, now to make it very simple, I'll remove this decimal number and I'll just leave it as 1. So if I save it now and refresh it, all of the cells are colored green. Okay, and we can also change this class to blue just to make it look exactly similar to this application. If I refresh it, all the cells are colored blue now. Okay, because we have changed this number. Now to control to randomly change the color, so I would like to play with this. Okay, so this fill, I will change it to math.ceil, and within bracket I will say math.random, and I will multiply this randomly created number by 100, and that is it. Okay, so if I save it now and refresh it, you have a random number of cells that are colored, and if I change it again, you have a different number of cells that are colored, and if I change it, refresh it again, you have a different number of cells that are colored. So this was very short and quick, and I will see you in the next lesson.